So we're here at Lorahs Pig Farm for drag racing. Yeah, you just heard what I said. And brought this. So this should be interesting. I think it's a 200-foot dirt drag. Corey and my buddy Tony are the only two guys here with cars. You can kind of see what the rest of the field is made up of. So this should be entertaining to say the least.
Josh Werney with the white Ford. Josh Werney. Power on the street side, Johnson on the pit side. Leon Gable on the wheel horse, Mark Goodheil on what's supposed to be a John Deere.
They say what they drive. She had that one up. That's cool.
These dudes jack off the whistling diesel.
Alright, Corey O'Brien on pit side here, 66 Pontiac Tempest. And on the other side, Anthony, okay, come over here later and tell me how to pronounce that. With the Ford Galaxy. It looks like Anthony Horsha. I'm going to throw it out there. Anthony Horsha with a 65 Ford Galaxy running against Corey O'Brien with the Pontiac Tempest. We're not sure what's under the hood, but it whistles a little. We'll see. Yeah, it could be just an exhaust manifold leak. Certainly could. It's okay, we'll get there. We'll get there. Easy, easy. When Josh comes back with me, we'll run him again if it's cool. You know, make it official. It's cool, we'll let him run again, right? We can make the rules up as we go on some of this stuff. This used to be a cornfield, and we're going to plant potatoes tomorrow. We're going to take them off before the Joe Car race. So, Corey O'Brien in the Tempest, Anthony Horsha in the Galaxy.
Oh God, that thing was...
Alright, Tempest for the win. Tempest for the win, but we like that. We like that. That was kind of cool. Very good. Ooh, I can smell some fuel. Smells like hand sanitizer. All right, let's see what we got here now. Sean Festamaker in the Subaru. Casey Kribler, looks like. The Jeep SRT8. Jeep SRT8 here on pit side in the Subaru. And the Jeep SRT8 for the win on that one. Isaac, that Jeep jump? Yeah, okay.
there's one time.
With the win on that one. There's your first and second place for small chassis. Ty Weist in first place, Corey O'Brien with the turbocharged Tempest there for second place. Can't make this stuff up. Should be the name of a Willy Wonka bar or something. Merkel's Purple. Yeah, pretty nice setup though. Mike Merkel in the purple Ford, Scott Merciel in the purple Dodge. Ragnoli on the pit side.
I had a feeling about it. I'm like, that was just, I'm way better. You don't need that shit. I'll way
My dad was in high school.